I pity for all the young men now. They will not see woman to marry. All the young girls are looking for old men. Still are busy with ancestors. So there are many 19 years, 22, 19, 20 years old girls. It's old men they are sleeping with. Old men. They think because the old man is giving them money, sponsoring them, they will see young people that say, you are not my class. The class they are talking about is provision, because that old man is providing for them. You see, when this spirit of old men hold you, before they will leave you, is until they waste you to the extent that marriage will become a prayer point for you. Yes, they will waste your prime, remove the good men from you. Now, if all these young boys grow, the youth now, they grow, the pattern continues. So when they grow old, they will not go and look for 19 again, because their age mate refuse them. The men that are 25 are supposed to be going for 19, but now the 19 are busy with ancestors. So so any old man has signed against you and your daughters.
Pastor, thank you for this. Na generation I know na listen, people will get put on and say my wife is a virgin, my girlfriend is a virgin, my girlfriend and my wife is a virgin. Then I listen to us church because this generation I know now, like from 100%, I can say 99 now 1% source of virgin. The remaining 99 I was virgin. How will this virgin? I was virgin cow. Because these people got us now church. Well, Pastor David Uche Guchala Halil. Because someone you ana dodge. Every one girl yeah, one girl Uche that life for 2 times and I be over bravo. Mother at life also so once. One day so Nachuku does the tune after every dream. How can monitor him? All nonsense. I got Uche. I took ancestors. Every one of my nigga. When I know WhatsApp. Okay, yeah. When I know name of they say every one girl on a company man the girl. So the girl every one man know all the man know one guy rich man who should do bata. Who should do bata. And the man, I know that the man know more on my side man. Okay, about what the young lady say. Ochotarea Wuni Ogal. So the girl I got put up with Libya, or try the man. So the man now, yana the man will be busy. The man will grow my side. So the lady got to try the man, so yana the man busy. And the man apple the lady now, one side, but I walk on a chair, tabla lady. So in the end, you go have because a pastor David Uche and prophet David Uche Kuna relates to all this station here. So when you watch it, why? On a phone you, thank you.